Hello, this is Ethan, and this is my Lab 1 video. I have it running in debug mode in code blocks, and I'm just going to go down the criteria on the web page and show that my program demonstrates all of them. So the first one is load an image on the command line. It does that right here. This came with the given code. Right now it's got some.ppm, which was also given. Display a help message about what the mouse and keyboard do. It says here simply click and drag, and then these are all the hotkeys in the program. Present a window or the blank canvas, that's this box here. This also came with the default program. Draw a correctly colored rectangle when you click. Well, the default brush is circle, so let me just switch this to square, and then you can see that on click it does draw a colored rectangle, and I can guarantee you that the colors are correct. This is kind of the lighter area of the image, these are the darker area, this is black, or darker. And then it also does it when I drag, which is the next requirement. And I'm running on a desktop, so I need to move pretty fast to generate the gaps in the squares, but you can see them there. Orient the stroke of the direction of the mouse. You can see that with the line brush, so we'll switch, and you can see that it does move with the mouse. Had some problems with getting the width to look right on higher brush sizes, because you get these kind of artifacts with the way that OpenGL draws its lines. You get these kind of artifacts, but it looks pretty good at a small brush size, which is, I think, the only requirement in class that had it bigger than 1 pixel, so that satisfies that. Something that looks like the source image appears when used. Oops. Let's do that then. The line gives a pretty good image. Increase the brush size just a little bit. I think that's enough to tell, but this was the default image given in the zip file. The bottom is all dark. This is the light area, clouds here. There's a line of color along the horizon, or whatever. So yep, that one's good. Provide a keystroke or menu to clear the canvas. As you can see off this help menu, oops, that is W clear the canvas, and there we go. Provide a key or menu to change the brush size, A and S, decrease and increase it respectively, and I will demonstrate that it does. So this is it getting bigger. You can definitely see it getting bigger. It caps out at 100, and then getting smaller. It also works that it caps out at 0. Where it pretty much doesn't draw anything for the circle. I'm not sure if any of them have, the line draws something up 1 pixel wide for some reason. Anyways, don't crash. Okay, well, as you've seen throughout this whole thing, I've been dragging the brush outside of the window on every direction, every corner, and it's not giving me any crashes. I can resize the window and draw, and it draws actually pretty well, even off the edge. It takes the color of the pixel on the edge of the canvas to draw if the mouse moves off. So there's a line of pink along this right side of the canvas here, or the original picture, so that's why anytime I go off of that picture it turns pink. And the bottom is black, so that's why it's all black down here. But yeah, it doesn't crash, even if I go, which way. And then provide an eraser, and as you saw right here, I have an eraser right here. It uses the circle brush. I can increase the size to make it a lot easier to erase things. And then finally, clear canvas definitely doesn't work with the incorrect canvas size. And then the custom brush, which I'll show off here, is supposed to be, if I move quickly, I wanted it to give it like a sharp effect. So it is multiple polygons. It looks kind of weird, but basically what I wanted to do is that when I move it quickly, it does look kind of like splotchy like this. I wanted to get different. I didn't want it to be all circles and squares. So if I move quickly, you can kind of see that it does that. Yep. So that's that. That's my program. Did the eraser? Yeah, that's right. Okay, I did everything. So yeah, that's my Lab 1. Thanks for watching.